Okay.
that sweat or are you drenched in water?
Sweat.
That's nasty.
Or you just
Okay. You can see there we got some submersion going on because I just put this pipe together and I hope I let it dry long enough. So we're going to see live video here. Hopefully I don't drop my phone in the water. Whether or not this is success or fail video. Here goes. I'll let you watch. Down here. Well, what do you know? Success. No dripping. Well, there's dripping there, but it's because water in the pipe. And it's sitting the right way it should be. This old one here had the float valve was all the way at the bottom. So that sucker was running all the time, and it was power cycling and running for like 24 hours. So we had to fix that. This one, float valve. Guess what? I got it. Let's see. Dry, 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 dry. That's dry. That's dry. Oh yeah. Thank you. Bye.